Okay, so if you want to view the information of any, you can say any method or class, what you can do, go to the Google, write the name of the class, then you have to write Apex Developer Guide. Okay, so if you will write Apex Developer Guide, you will open the Salesforce site. Okay, so you are opening the Salesforce site. So what is list? It's the class, everything you will get. You will get all the methods. Okay, so from here you will get all the information, all the methods with definition, which you can use. Okay, you will also get the example. So whatever I have teach you, all things are available. Okay, simple. You have to write method like that, method Apex Developer Guide. Open it, and here you will get the nodes, data type and variable, data type, primitive, collection, enums. Okay, then the definition of the data type, you can study it. Okay, let's suppose if you want to know the information of the Visual Force page tab, let's suppose I am using page block table. I want the more information of page block table. So what you have to do, go to the Google, write tag name, Apex page block table, then you have to write Visual Force guide. Okay, for Visual Force page, you have to write Visual Force developer guide, then open it. So here you will get all complete information of page block table. To scroll down, you will get the attribute which you can use, align, busy color, border. Okay, and you will get one information also. When you will do, just a minute. Yeah, here we have required. Okay, so we will get the required thing also. So there are two required value and variable. So yesterday in last class, I told you when you will use page block table. So there are two mandatory, you can say, attributes, that is value and variable. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm going to, I have created one list and set. Okay, now I want to use it in Visual Force page. I'm going to create one class, list set controller, and going to create one list and set. Then I'll print the output in Visual Force page. So public list of string str list cat set public set of string str set. Okay, I'm going to create one constructor, and I'm going to initialize it inside the constructor. Okay, so I have created two type of one is list, one is second. Two type of collection I have created. Then inside the constructor, I have initialized. Now I want to add some element inside the list as well as in set. So which method we will use to add some data, some elements in the list and set? We can use add method. Okay, Now what I'm doing, I'm going to add some element inside also. Okay, now I want to print the value of list as well as set in, you can say with the help of Visual Force page, I want to display it. So what I'm doing, I'm going to create one Visual Force page, write any name, list set page with one button. Okay, so I'll use the class in the page. So what first I have to write? I have to write controller is equal to class name. Then I'm going to create form because we will use some tag, and I'm going to I'm going to create
Page
one
block.
page block. Okay, inside the page block, I'm going to use table.
Page block table.
So we have page block table, and in table, which attributes are mandatory?
Value and var.
Value and where are mandatory. Okay, so I'm going to write value, then second where. Okay, and in block, I'm writing type also. Okay, what we will write in value?
Transfer method.
We will write
Transfer
value.
reference variable. Reference variable.
Yeah, and what we will write in variable?
Any name you can pass.
Yeah,
A, B, C, D, E.
we can pass any name. So I'm writing A. Okay, now I want to display the information. So in a table, so we will use one tag that is column,
Column value.
apex column. Okay, inside the column, there is one attribute which are mandatory, that is value.
Value.
And when you will pass the data in value, you will use expressions. You will use scope.
तो आपने मार्क का यूज किया.
Yeah. Now I'm going to save it. Now click on preview button. So what I'm getting? I'm getting the data, test information. So list type of data, I'm able to, you can say I'm able to print it. Okay. Now what we have to do, I want to print the data of, you can say set. Okay. So same thing I can write another page block I'm going to create. I'm going to write it. So set information. Okay. So instead of str list, we have to pass str set variable any name. I'm writing v, displaying the value of v. So if there are 10 reports, so first report will go in V, then it will print, then second report will go, it will print, then third report. It will work like that. I'm going to save it, then click on preview button. Go back and you can see here I'm getting the data. ठीक है, समझ में आई है सभी को?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So it's a way to print the this type of information and set type of information if you want to print it. Okay. Okay. So I think it's enough for today.